Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to merge multiple Excel files using Power Automate. This is incredibly useful when you're working with data spread across different spreadsheets and need to combine them into a single file without doing it manually. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once the page loads, log into your Power Automate account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can create and manage all your automation workflows. Once you're logged in, look at the left side of your screen and click on Create. This is where you'll start building your new flow from scratch. From the options that appear, click on Instant Cloud Flow. This type of flow is perfect for automations you want to trigger manually whenever you need them, rather than running on a schedule. Next, you'll see a trigger selection screen. Click on Manually Trigger a Flow to set this as your starting point, then click Create. This establishes that you'll be the one initiating the merge process whenever you're ready, giving you full control over when the automation runs. Now you'll see your flow canvas. Click the plus icon to add your first action, then search for Get File Content. Since we're working with SharePoint in this example, select the SharePoint option from the results. This action will allow you to retrieve the content of your first Excel file. Here's where it gets interesting. Right-click on the plus icon and select Add a Parallel Branch. This allows you to retrieve multiple files simultaneously rather than one after another, which makes your automation much more efficient. In this parallel branch, search again for Get File Content and click it. This second action will grab your other Excel file at the same time. For both Get File Content actions, you need to specify which files to retrieve. Input your SharePoint site address in the site field, then click the folder icon next to File Identifier. Navigate through your folders and locate the first Excel file you want to merge. Repeat this exact process for the other Get File Content action, selecting your second Excel file. Now click the plus icon again and search for Cloud Mersive Merge. From the results, find and click on Merge Multiple Excel XLSX together. This is the action that will actually combine your files into one. Cloud Mersive is a powerful connector that handles the technical aspects of merging Excel files while preserving formatting and data integrity. Before configuring the merge action, click on Settings on the left side of this action. Then click Select Actions and choose both of your Get File Content actions. This tells Power Automate which files should be processed by this merge action. Next, go to the Parameters section. Click the lightning bolt icon in the first field, which opens the Dynamic Content menu, and select File Content from the first Get File Content action. Then click back on that first Get File Content step, copy the file identifier, and paste it into the second field. This maps your first Excel file to the merge action. Repeat this exact process for the second Get File Content action, ensuring both files are properly configured in the merge parameters. Now click the plus icon one more time and search for Create File. This action will save your newly merged Excel file back to SharePoint. Input your SharePoint site address and specify the folder path where you want the merged file to be saved. Give your file a descriptive name so you can easily identify it later. In the File Content field, click the lightning bolt icon and select Output Content from the Cloud Mersive Merge action. This tells Power Automate to take the merged result and save it as your new file. And that's it. You can now save your flow and click Run to test it. Your Excel files will be merged automatically and saved to your specified SharePoint location. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.